Welcome, Alaa Habrah, and congratulations on your MSc Structural Engineering completion.
Thank you.
Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Alaa Habrah. I am structural engineer. Today I am fortunate to be the first graduate of the master program in structural engineering. The downside is I am the only graduate today in my batch because I had to give that a little push to make it for the graduation ceremony this year, but that eventually made me alone. But all is well now, and looking to the festivities here today, it definitely feels very nice.
Can you tell us about how and why did you come to choose the British University in Dubai's MSc Structural Engineering program?
Well, in 2007, I graduated as a civil engineer from Damascus University and came here to UAE in 2010. And since then, I've always wanted to continue my postgraduate study. So I searched a lot for programs, and I found, particularly in the structural engineering field, and I found BUiD provides the only unique program of master in structural engineering. And so, and thanks to the invitation email I received from the university in 2013 for the launch event of the master program in structural engineering. And that put an end to my search and put me on the journey for my master's study.
Tell me a little bit about how did you choose your dissertation topic and what was your research question?
Well, one of the critical structural issues in high-rise building is the column shortening. That column shortening causes settlement, vertical settlement, and lateral sway. So my research question was to find a relation between the theoretical results and the actual results of column shortening, which cause settlement and sway. And in addition, in addition to assess the accuracy of the ACI 209R method in predicting the effects of long-term effects in concrete structures. So my study was based on a case study building, which is a high-rise building, 360 meters in Dubai. That building was monitored during the construction for settlement and sway. So I took those real results and compared them to the theoretical results which I did in my research.
Very intensive, definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me a little bit about how you're going to use this research in your work, or is it what plans do you have in the future?
Well, I'm planning now to go with publishing paper about my research because still I need a lot of work upon my previous work to determine exactly the modification that needed to the method or the design procedure, because one of the key findings in my research, that the big gap between the theoretical and the real results. Yeah, so a lot of modification needed to give more confidence calculations in future for such a unique behavior in high-rise buildings.
I think that's what it is with the research degrees. It's where you close the gap between the theoretical and applied side of things. If you need to know more about Alaa's dissertation, please visit the BUiD website, library.buid.ac.ae.